as evidenced by our history of forging cooperation and seeking peace. We earnestly hope to receive the support of your respective governments in that bid.
In this spirit, we reaffirm our commitment to friendship and harmonious collaboration. Together, we pursue lasting peace rooted in goodwill, nurtured through sincere dialogue, and strengthened by mutual respect.
At tatapos na ang taunang Van Dinor sa pamamagitan ng isang fireworks display dito sa Malacanang Palace. Kasabay nga po ng Araw ng Kalayaan, pero hindi pa humalinaw kung nagkaroon pa ng mga sunod at follow-up na meeting ang dalawang leader ng Senado at ng House of Representatives. At yan muna ang latest. Balik muna sa iyo, Emil.
Maraming salamat, JP Soriano.